Alright, well we're back. It's day 2 of messing with the old bug. We've kind of gone over and done a little more cleaning and trying to make a game plan. What did I say we need to do next?
Get the spark plugs out of this thing.
Yep, we're going to try to get the spark plugs out of it, and we're going to try to get it to where it's spinning over a little faster. So give us just a minute. I've got to grab a couple of tools and we'll come right back and we'll show her how to get the plugs out of this thing. Alright, well, we've established what size plug it is. It's a 13/16 plug. We've established how to get the plug wire out. Now we're going to establish how to get the plug out. What do you think we need to do here?
I honestly don't have a clue.
Honestly don't have a clue. Alright, well you know approximately where the hole is. It's probably going to take a 3-inch extension is what it looks like. 13/16 plug socket. Try to set our wire out of the way. And you have to feel down in here for the hole and drop the plug socket and extension down in there. Now, you see that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I know it's going to be hard for the viewer to see. Come on. Alright. Boy, them babies are in there. There it went. Can you see?
Yeah.
I bet you taking it out in a couple minutes.
It's not really 10 years.
I don't think it's running 14. It's starting to freeze a little bit. She's tight. See what I'm doing? See if you can work that on out of there. That should give it a shot. Hold it. Just hold that head, and then you have to lift up hard. There you go.
I should probably take off my ring. I should have done that.
You should have
first.
put your safety glasses down over your eyes. It'd be a good thing. Yeah, you shouldn't be wearing jewelry. I didn't even catch that. That'd be a good idea to put that in your pocket. I'll back to wrenching.
You don't want me to forget that it's in there.
Careful, watch where your hands are going to land. Doing good. Getting easier?
Mm-hmm.
Good.
And how do I do when I'm done?
You'll know. It's really easy. Should flop around.
It kind of does.
Okay. Let's see if we can get it up out of there. Yeah. Now it's that. See how it flops? See now?
Yeah.
You see how it's flopping around? Alright, let's see. Take the ratchet off. Like that. You push the button and the ratchet will slide off. And you can take the spark plug socket and walk it around the corner. There we go. It's out.
Hello, little spark plug.
Wow. Look at all that crud on there.
I don't do great.
That ain't good at all. This thing would have never cranked like that, like we were trying to yesterday. Alright, well we're going to do this 3 more times and we'll be back. Alright, well we've managed to get all the spark plugs out. And now we're going to hook a battery up. Yesterday we tried just doing to the starter with a jumper pack, and I just don't think we're getting quite enough contact there. So we're going to hook a battery up to the original battery terminals, and then we'll jump the starter and see what we can get as far as the engine to spin over. See if it'll spin over a little faster. So let's get set up and we'll come right back. Alright, girlie, what did we just do?
We just connected a battery in.
Okay, and we had a little confusion because as you'll notice, red cable, and it's hooked to the ground side, and you have a black cable and it's hooked to the positive side. So we had a little confusion as to whether or not this is somehow a positive ground car, which we don't think it is. We did a little research and a little looking, because the positive ground cars haven't existed for quite a long time. So anyway, we got it hooked up and we're fixing to go back here and we're going to test the starter and see if we can get it to spin over and start circulating some oil. So let's go ahead and get set up. You want to try to jump the starter there, girly?
Do what now?
You want to try to jump the starter?
Tell me how to do it.
Alright, well come on, let's go look and I'll show you. But we're going to jump the starter out. Alright, I'll do it first. Look, I'm going to look through this hole, you look through that hole. You see where my screwdriver is?
Yes.
See this big post here? You lay it on top of that post and push it. Lay it and push it. And don't touch anything else but that post right there.
What happens if you charge on the shop?
It's dead short for the battery and it's going to be like welding. There you go. You lay it down tight on that big post and then touch and move. Slow down. Alright, well, maybe that will have circulated some oil. Alright, I'm going to hook up a battery charger so that we don't run our battery down. Now we're going to go ahead and get ready to set up some other stuff. Alright, well we're going to see what happens when we put a little carburetor spray to it. Got the distributor hot wired to a jumper pack. Got a good battery in the car, so I'm gonna handle the flammable part, and I'm gonna let her operate the starter part. So, are you ready?
I sure am.
All right.
You know when?
Whenever you're ready.
All right.
Come on, you gotta get a good positive go.
I'm trying.
If you don't get it spinning, we can't get it to crank. Hang on. Stop. Remember what we talked about? Shine that light up in there. Lay it right there and push forward.
Okay.
Lay it and push. Hang on.
I'm coming.
All right, get it. Gotta get a good positive connection or this ain't gonna work. She's trying. She's trying.
It's trying.
Come on. Keep going. Shine that light. Yeah, I'm pushing.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna let that battery charge up a minute. Turn that off. We don't burn our coil up. We're gonna let that battery charge a minute. You heard it try.
It sure wants to.
All right, here we go. We're gonna give it another shot. Let me find my carburetor cleaner. Give it. This is our fuel, and we're gonna flip on our ignition. All right, whenever you're ready, we're gonna get the battery set to nuke. Hopefully, we can get this thing to spin fast enough to kick off.
Let me.
Whenever you're ready, you just go.
Oh, yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Do it. Almost. Come on. Get on that starter and stay on it, baby.
I'm trying.
I know.
Let me try with my right hand.
There you go. Use your good hand. Alright, get off of it.
She's trying real hard.
She's trying.
Alright.
Here we go. Take 3. This time we got some actual gasoline and a little bit of Marvel Mystery Oil. Maybe if the cylinders are a little low in compression, that might help. So, are you ready?
Alright, let me get down here.
Alright. Let me know when you're getting lined up.
I'm lined up.
Alright, ignition's on. I'm giving it a squirt of gas.
3, 2, 1, go.
I gotta know what you're doing so we can fix it. Because if I can't
I
help
would
you
love
fix it. Alright, let me see what you're doing. Let me watch you. Alright? Push hard. Push down here. Go down. Let me just try to see if I can get the starter going. There it is!
She's alive! High five.
High five!
Woo!
First crank in at least 15 years. She's a little noisy.
Alive!
We'll see if we can do it again. Go ahead.
She ran, but she didn't run long.
Okay, fire it up. We're gonna see if we can get it to run a little longer on carburetor spray. All right, here we go again. We're gonna try one more time to try to get a little bit longer run time out of it. I just gave it a little gas. Got my carburetor spray to try to keep it running just a minute longer, so we can hear it a little bit. Whenever you're ready, ignition's on.
3,
Get a good grip, strong grip, and hang on.
3, 2, 1.
Come on.
She's jumping.
I know.
Shaky,
You
so I
gotta
can't get a good
hold on to it for that.
I know. Can't get a good connection on.
Let me see if I can do it. And get the gas at the same time. What are we going to see? I'm having trouble here. Not sure why she quit, but
Probably something we can have to fix, but
shine your light up in there where I can see what I'm doing. Alright. I think I'm adding too much.
too slow. Just more pressure.
That is amazing. Alright guys, we've got quite a bit left to do. I let Lucy clean, showed her how to clean and gap the spark plugs, and I went ahead and threw them back in just for time savings. There's going to be more time for that, and I'm going to get her, show her how to put them in, take them out, and do the proper tune-up on this vehicle. But as you can tell, tune-up is the least of our worries at this point. We've got a long way to go.
A long, long way.
So, anyway, I appreciate you watching, and y'all hang in there and stay tuned for more coming on the VW Bug 73 Super Beetle. She hadn't given it a name yet, but
There might be one by the next one. There's no way to know.
you know, maybe she'll come up with a title for the next one. A title.
A name.
A name. Little giddy. I guess we're a little giddy from it actually firing up and running. So
We didn't expect